Welcome to our condo or apartment tour. Come inside. So this is our condo in Edmonton, Canada, a den area. So we can use this as an office, and Dad had kept his desk over here. So this can also be a third bedroom or kids bedroom. You can say you can use it as a library. This is a courtroom. And we can keep shoe rack over here, and this is a laundry, this is a dryer, and this is a washer. It's fully automatic, and yeah. Oh, don't on it, Baba. So this is an in-suite laundry, which is very rare in condos. Usually the laundry is a public service. You have to go downstairs to do laundry, right, Dhaval? This is a kitchen. So the best part about this kitchen is this is an open concept. So there are no walls and everything is open, and all the appliances are modern. So you can see this is a fridge.
See? Oh.
And this is a freezer. Again, very massive. All the cabinets. This is a cooking range, microwave, and this is a cooking range. It's induction. It's also an automatic cooking range, and this is a conventional oven. And lots of cabinets. Here is an island, and this is a dishwasher. So it's very handy. It has 2 racks. It is also an automatic. You can set the automatic settings. This is a massive dining room. This is also best part of this condo, because usually in condos we don't get a separate dining room. So this is a big dining room, and this has a beautiful chandelier. We had kept a big 6-seater dining table here, and this is a nice balcony, also called as deck. So you can put a patio furniture here, and if you see
there's a barbecue connection
there. This is a natural barbecue connection, and you can put a patio furniture here, barbecue machine, and it's amazing. And look at this. This is a covered, by the way. This deck is covered, so you can sit during winter as well if you have a good fireplace.
And plus the Patricia Park is right beside.
Yeah, and Patricia Park is right beside. So I'll give the outdoor tour later. And again, best part, big windows, sunlight comes in every morning. And this is a road, and it's a green space and lots of trees. So currently it's spring, so that's why you won't see any green leaves, but in summer it's amazing. Again, this is a living space. It's again massive, lots of big windows, 2 big windows. So we had kept our couch over here and the TV connection over here, and it was a perfect, living room. And again, this area is usually empty, so if the kids are there, it can be their play area, right? And this is guest washroom for this bedroom, and again, this has amazing shower area. It's spacious. And again, cabinets, 2 mirrors. So it's perfect. And one more thing, this is a secret storage space. So see, lots of storage. So if you want to keep groceries or towels or extra clothes, this is a perfect space. And this is a 2-in-1 washroom, so you can use a shower or you can use a bathtub. It's up to you. And this is a guest area or guest room. And so again, big window, lots of greenery, So we had bed over here, and this is a walk-in, not a walk-in closet, but this is a very spacious. I mean, I can like stand in it. It's very spacious. It has all the racks, and yeah, you can store so many clothes over here. And now it's time to go to a master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Again, very sunny, very lit. It has a big window, so no need of light. And this is a nice area where there are his and hers wardrobes. So this is for his and this is for hers, or vice versa. So this is a very nice space where you can just stand, look in the mirror. You can get dressed, and big space to keep your clothes. So nice wardrobes. And this is a washroom. So this has a dedicated shower area. This doesn't have a bathtub, but yeah, it's a big shower area. And yeah, this is a very good thing. So if there are seniors, this is a seating space, or what do you call what do you call this one?
It's a sitting area.
Sitting area or sitting table where senior citizens can sit and take a shower. And so this is the best part. So senior citizens, they love this type of shower areas, right? Because they don't have to step into the bathtub. So that's why it's best. And yeah, and we lived here from 2017 to 2022, and now we have moved to Calgary, but we missed living here. We have amazing memories, and so currently we are renting out this apartment, and just now one tenant left and other tenant is joining in. So yeah, and if you're wondering what's the rent of this apartment or condo, is $2,000 per month, and utilities are included because they charge condo fees. And how much is the condo fee, Dhaval?
Around 620 something.
Okay, so 600 is a condo fee. So condo fees are also included in the rent. Yeah. And if you have any questions regarding this condo or any other condo or area, you can ask me in the comments. And this city name is Edmonton, and this is a northwest area. Okay, do you think, Dhaval, it's a good investment to buy a rented property in Edmonton?
Yeah, I think so, because I think nowadays a lot of people are coming to Canada, and if you look at the immigration trend, it's been constantly, like in an upward trend. So I really think it's a wise investment. Plus, like if it can cover your mortgage cost and other costs, there's nothing like it, right?
Yeah.
Somebody else is paying for your mortgage. It can be better than that, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think it's a good investment.
It's a good investment.
Plus, yeah, and I think if you buy a condo, then it's really, it's like you're hands free basically. Right? You're not doing anything because you pay a big chunk of money towards condo maintenance and everything. So everything, your heat, water, your snow removal, your lawn maintenance, everything is covered under condo fees, right? So you don't have to do anything. So if let's say in a situation like us where we don't live in Edmonton, we're in Calgary, and our condo is in Edmonton, I think it's a perfect investment for us, because if it was a house, we would have had to take care of a lot of things, right? Like changing bulbs or the plumbing, electrical stuff, right? But with condo, you don't have to do that. You just pay a good condo fee, and then you're all covered.
This is an exterior of our building. And this is a surface parking.
Oh, you know what? Let's.
This is an entrance for underground parking. So we have a fob. Fob.
What's that?
And then we can open this door using fob and then go inside. So this is a heated parking, so it's amazing for winters.
Yes.
So each condo has one underground parking. This is ours. So it's very easy and convenient for winters. See, look at the heaters. This is a heater. Car here, and now we are going upstairs. This is the door to go upstairs. We are going upstairs now. This is another security check. You have to use a fob over here and then go inside. So this is the security feature, right, Eva? Yes.
Elevator.
This is us. Eva.
Say hi.
Hi. Okay, so now we are inside and then we have to use the fob for the third time. So look at the security measures. So this is a fob area. So if you don't have a fob, you cannot go upstairs. So this is another security check. Right, Eva? Yes. So that's the best part of living in this society, that it has so many security features. And then we are on the third floor. So look at the view. We were here before. This is a surface parking, and now we are going to our condo. So this is a big alley, and ours is the corner unit, so we have to walk all the way to this alley because it's a corner unit. Naval is opening up the condo. This is the front door, and yeah, let's go inside. Naval, switch on the lights. Thinking to buy a rental property in Edmonton or Calgary, go for a condo or a multi-unit. It's a better investment than stocks, I would say, and because it has a low risk. And yeah, I hope you loved the tour of our condo. If you have any questions regarding this condo or regarding investment, please shoot me in the comment section.